Never got on a plane like this before.
Downtown Philly. Looking for Waylo and Gilly. Couch pay 0R.
The platform is beautiful.
Platform is beautiful. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody putting their names on the table. We done tattooed our mark on the table. That's the opportunity at your house right there. Put downtown Philly. I know they all be all at Saks when we shopping at TJ Maxx, but it is what it is, man. W9 box truck got that new baby. That's what a brand new truck look like, y'all. I ain't seen no dash like this before. Full digital dash. What year is this?
2025.
You ready to work, make some money with this truck. It's the versatile truck I was talking about. You don't want to. Y'all already see how the day started. We got a truck sitting out front of the yard. He gonna have to move that though. He gonna have to move and go ahead and pull in. What the hell he trying to get? Y'all see what's going on, fam. And it's your boy Al. Y'all tune back on with them Jennings boys, man. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. The bang on his door, wake his ass up. TGI Friday, man. We up at the yard early. We got this job. We got trucks gotta be on the job by 5 a.m. So it's early start. I think this job gonna last about 3-4 weeks. So early start, y'all. Early start. Got my new guy back here. He already. Reggie back there. They back there pre-tripping their trucks, starting their trucks up. I think Pop's gonna drive this truck over here, so let me get this truck started. Make sure y'all, if y'all new to the channel, man, we do dump truck vlogs, trucking vlogs. Show you how to get your CDL, go and buy you your first dump truck, and start making this $1,000 a day as an owner-operator, y'all. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stop what you're doing, hit that post notification bell. No, hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and like the video, man. We're gonna keep running these numbers on up. We're gonna get this day started, y'all. So stay tuned. Got her started and warming up. Get the rest of these guys off. We ain't got no time to fool around today. Gotta get straight on the road. Gotta get to this plant. Be on time. This job on the job restriction. Yeah. They got you good to roll. We'll come back. Get for some oil. It's about at the airline. I ain't checking. What's going on? You ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
You feel more comfortable now?
Pretty much. The ASPHALT clothes on this morning.
I hear that change outfits.
Oh, you talking about this one right here? So, the CV's not working, brother. Like,
You said the CV not working here?
yeah, I might have it. It's speak for like the mic.
The mic isn't?
Yeah.
Said what? Well, you know he's special. What the fuck is he gonna do with that? Shoot a owl, shoot a bat out the sky. They ain't gonna cry when it's missing or somebody steal it. Driver riding around with a bow and arrow, y'all. Like, what is he gonna do with this on the job site? It's Friday, fam, so y'all already know, man. We gotta get a fresh cut. Start our day off early with a fresh cut, man. Well, you know, barber get up early on the same grind you on, man. We up here. It ain't even 7 a.m. yet. We up here at the shop. I'm about to get cut. I like getting my hair cut early. That way I don't miss out on nothing during the daytime. I'm so busy during the day, but I can't get my hair cut during the afternoon. So I gotta come early morning. And my barber up on the same type of grind I'm on.
What's up, bro?
What's going on? Friday, making it to the end of the week. Letting these people know they gotta get their ass up and make stuff happen.
What y'all say? Get up off that couch.
Getting up off that couch. That couch pays $0 an hour, man. Gotta be out here. It ain't gonna fall in your lap, man. You gotta get out here and make it happen. So I don't know how today gonna go. Y'all gonna see. We gonna take it hour for hour. Hopefully we got a good day. I don't know if we're working tomorrow or not yet. Waiting to hear from some of my customers, so we're gonna see about that. So make sure y'all stay tuned. We're gonna see what's going on this job.
Y'all see what's going on early morning, man. Circleville plant again. Wake your ass up. It's time to get that bag, man. Friday morning hustle, man. Friday morning hustle. Y'all see what's going on? Oh, I gotta let that wheel up right there. I had to climb up in there and check the bed. Y'all see what's going on, man. We're gonna hope it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. That buddy go around me. That B go around me. I'd rather have him in front of me all day than behind me. That way I can help him through. He's still fresh, but ain't no sense in two guys in one truck when he can drive and do everything. I can finish training from outside the truck, being behind him. So we're gonna run him today and pop his cherry, finish popping his cherry, get him right. Let's go. Get him set up real quick. See how he do. That should be good right there. Perfect. Perfect spot right there. Hey, drop 2, pull up. Drop 2. Drop 2. Then pull up a little bit. Get your rest on there. Y'all see what he's doing? I'm trying to get that bad boy right there, dead smack in the middle. Where it be red in the middle. He pull up a little bit, put the rest on the ass in. That way it's on his axles as best way as we can get it. Be doing good too, man. We had a rough morning, man. I've been going through a lot, man. We had a rough morning this morning. Sometimes shit just go too fast, man. And shit happens so fast, man. And shit be said, and it's just crazy, man. Well, you got to part away from guys, man, if you don't want to. You know what I'm saying? Put the rest right there. The first spot, second spot, you'll be good. Hey, when you get done, pull out, wait on me, we'll ride together. Y'all see what's going on. I just try to train him all the way out, man. I tried to tell goddamn Trey this morning, man, he had a whole back full of asphalt. And I said, man, I told him yesterday, I said, man, we're gonna try to dig it, drag it out. We'll put a little diesel on it, try to drag it out, or it won't get worse. Make sure when you get back tonight, tell Otto, jackhammer. Told him that twice. This morning, he ain't even tell Otto, so now he got a full back on his bed full of asphalt. Now, if you go another whole day, it's gonna get even worse. I tell him, man, you forgot to tell Otto? Man, you didn't tell me that. I said, man, I told you twice yesterday, bub. Man, you ain't tell me that on my mama, man. I said, bro, I told you, man. You ain't tell me that on my mama, and I'm done talking about it. I said, well, man, what you mean you done talking about it, man? We need to figure this out. You know? Man, when you hollering and talking crazy, I said, man, I ain't even talking crazy, bro. I was just trying to tell you, man. And it led to another, leads to something else, man, to where it just got too heated, man. To where I'm hoping he go home for the day and get ready for Monday. If not, I don't know what to do. You know what I'm saying? That's just how it goes sometimes, man. I'm the coolest dude in the world, man. I don't be out to talk crazy. I don't talk crazy to my guys. I respect my guys because they grown men, man. But sometimes some people just get out of hand, man, too fast. can figure this out, work it out. If not, then you know, on to the next guy, man. I guess, you know, I ain't saying it like that, but I'm just saying, I'm hoping we can fix this, because I like Trey. Trey, good dude, solid dude. I'm hoping we can fix it.
Back in motion, y'all. Fresh cut. It's got a fresh cut. Hold on, we gotta go in the sunlight, get this fresh cut, y'all. I know y'all wanna see me, man. We got something special going on this weekend. Got something special going on tomorrow. Y'all gonna see. Stay tuned for that. We up here at the shop. We gonna get this money. He was at the shop, or he must have been one that was calling me in the middle of the night. Banging, blowing my line down. He got a zipper. He done halfway unzip. You know, you halfway unzip your zipper. That's what he got. Gonna get him back on the road. We're gonna see what's going on with this bed over here. Got wrong way. Trey came back in. I don't know what happened out on the job. But truck is back. And we gotta figure this bed out. I think it's a bunch of asphalt stuck in here. I don't know exactly what happened yet. We're about to figure out. We're about to jackhammer it out now, get it back. Get it back right. That's cool. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a nice little chunk right there. That's a nice little chunky chunk right there.
Hey, we'll pay for the tournament.
I mean, shit.
We need this.
They don't want to give us a sponsorship. They want you to pay. That shit too expensive. $300 for a 5-gallon bucket. You gonna use that bucket in one. You gonna use that bucket in 1 week. You feel me? We're gonna jackhammer that on out and keep using that saucy sauce. Yeah, we're gonna. I'll back him up to the door. Matter of fact, I'm gonna back him up to the door now while it's aired up and get him back right. Let's see what we got going on here. Damn, buddy ain't pulled off yet. Got that truck ready to get jackhammered out. Where the other side of this truck? A fresh virgin on there. That's why we gotta keep them in the top seller, you feel me? What's going on? Looking to get one of these? What size is that? 255? You said who? Ah, okay, that's my dog. I think all I got is new. I don't think I got no used ones in there. New one? Alright, what's cracking? It's just wearing down.
I should be good though, right?
Yeah, I mean, shit, if you don't want to change it now, I just run it to the blow. Or to the tread, so you can't see the tread no more. See, that's down there getting there right there. As long as you got some tread, DOT can't get you. But I run it a little bit longer. Then change it. Yeah, you're gonna need some right there. Them two, you can run them longer right there. But them two, gonna need change. You pretty good. Them all good. Where you get these from?
I don't know, but I just bought it.
Ah, okay. When?
I had called you probably like 2 months ago. I had left you my number.
I probably ain't had no spot. If I ain't call you back, that mean I just ain't had no spot for you.
Yeah, then I went to school with Kyler, so we grew up together.
Okay.
And he told me like you were looking for somebody at that point. I'm like, should I drive you?
Right.
I'm like,
Yeah.
over to Ernst now. I used to work for Anderson.
So you going over to where now?
Ernst.
So concrete?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. I got a spot open. I just got one spot open today. And this probably in this truck right here. Ah, okay.
far the 30 shows up right now. I just don't,
Okay.
I don't know the best angle or avenue to go about it.
The key is you want to be ready to buy like at the beginning of the season. We're coming to the end of the season right now, so this really ain't the best time to buy, my opinion. But you want to get you a truck and just have to start like March. Shit gonna start picking back up, and then just make sure you get you a solid truck. That's the main thing. 25, 30, you might be able to find something decent, but for real, the way these truck prices is now, you're gonna have to at least spend like 50 to get something solid. If something 25, 30, you're gonna still put the money back into it. You feel me? You're gonna put another 20,000 in it real quick. So yeah, I'm gonna have you just pull up right here and pull up right here. That way we can reach that hose. Hey, tell the nigga to pull out. He in the way. I'm gonna have you back up right here. He in there? Time is money, my boy. That's the move about the, hey. All right, come back now, cuz. Big boat. How bad is it, cuz?
Huh?
How bad is it?
10 out of 10.
It's bad?
It's bad.
That shit sticky, ain't it? It's that special mix.
That shit ain't coming off. I don't know what's going on.
Alright.
Get that shit off.
What's that?
Right here in this area.
Just gotta keep hitting it. We gotta get that whole doghouse undone too.
I know.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see what's up? We back out here on 23 again. Friday morning hustle, getting it in. Check my chain. BK, the new guy, doing good, man. He doing good. He in the truck by himself now, doing what he got to do. Yeah, he in the truck by himself, taking care of business. He done figured out how to everything he got to do. He in routine. Everything working out smooth. His first day by himself, and shit, he doing all right. I'm gonna keep him a week with me, about a week, then let him loose. This job right here is an easy job. Straight highway, straight same thing every day. So he should be able to catch on with the truck and everything, and be all right. But y'all see what's going on, man. Get y'all's ass up if you ain't already up. Get to that bag. I'm already out here on this hot rock. Getting to it. Getting to it. Let's go.
What's going on, big dog? Which tire was it?
Which one? Right. Here.
Inside one. Okay. Gotcha. Go ahead, flip around and pull up right here. Pull up right here, yeah. My dog done sent this drive rep. I know y'all remember this truck. Posted on the channel. He was trying to sell it, but nobody trying to give him the money he wanted, so he running the truck. I told y'all the truck was solid. Truck running every day. I can't see what's going on with the tire. I'm gonna get it up off of there. He got that new baby. She looking good. He out here blinding us. Brand new truck. That's what a brand new truck look like, y'all. Brand spanking. Shining. I like how they got this on the side too. That baby look good. That's what that 300,000 get you right here, y'all. Brand new 6-axle, ready to work. We're gonna get there one day. And he in there clean.
Yes, sir.
You at the plant blinding them with this one. You can't even look straight at the sun beaming off of it. Now she look good. Congrats.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it.
Congrats on that. This a big thing right here, y'all. Big boy Kenworth. Extra shiny. Big boot in there getting to it still. Boss ride. So he said he ain't even ran into you. He just got the signs, but I said ain't no way he been through no quarry yet, cause she too shiny.
I went down there, though.
Tell your number?
Yeah, right.
Quick through, yeah.
Went in,
Right, yeah. Ain't no rain. Man, it ain't been too bad, but you know how it is. That one rain,
all bad.
she gonna get dirty here soon.
Yeah.
You know when she been getting some money.
She gonna put on her makeup.
Yeah, when she put that makeup on.
Put that makeup on.
Yeah, that means she been getting some money. Right now, she's sitting pretty. Let me see. Oh, I don't even want to sit in here, y'all. Clean, big Kenworth seat.
That dash.
The dash. He got the double D. Oh, I ain't seen no dash like this before. Hold on. Full digital dash. What year is this?
2025.
Oh, this something new. Oh, that's crazy, y'all. Got 500 miles on here. Look. Oh, he got the cameras in there. This the truck you want right here, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. He got the big boy Navi up there truck. This how you do it right here, y'all. Riding comfortably and riding clean. This thing nasty. Woo. Make me want to get in and go on a job right now. That's what that money gets you, y'all. This truck right here, you ready to work, make some money with this truck. This truck ready to do anything. This is the versatile truck I was talking about. 6-axle, steel bed, man. Ready to do anything and everything, y'all. That's nasty. I gotta get this on the phone, too. They even got the automatic greaser on there, y'all. This is the new style, too. Nice and clear. Grease itself. That's what all y'all lazy trucker needs that don't want to grease y'all trucks every week. Y'all need that automatic greaser. That thing nasty, y'all. I can't wait to see this out on the job site. For sure. Cracking, cuz. You got him done? You got one side done, I see. Just gotta finish that side. Hey, it's easy if you do it piece by piece, little piece by piece.
Y'all see what's going on, man? An old Bluebird today. Got me in Bluebird today. This cat right here in front of me, man. It's the end of the day. We're on our last load. I go down there and turn around, come back. He done did the shortcut real quick. We got in line. You know, I gotta get unloaded before you, bro. You already know that. I don't give a fuck where the fuck if I went to the turnaround down there. You did a shortcut. You gonna try to pull in close, bruh. I'm gonna pull behind you and push you up. That's what happened, man. You know it's my turn next. At the end of the day, Bob, I don't want to take nothing back to the plant. So there, folk, I don't pull up, Bubby, because I am not. Don't let you unload before me. You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. So he pulled up. He don't want to pull all the way up. He's still close. When he need to be pulled all the way on up, but you know, I ain't tripping. As long as I don't load first. Seems to be that's what's gonna happen. Y'all see what's going on, man. Rock. Whole lot of motion.
Back in the garage, y'all. Knocking these 2 tires out. These might be the last 2 tires of the day. We're gonna see. One of my customers pulled up. He always come get his tires here. Putting 2 on here. Getting that reel put on back there. Got that truck, got all the asphalt of that truck. Got the hose reel put on over there. He said 100% employee owned. Another day up here at the shop, y'all. I'm trying to get everything done so we can get out of here tomorrow. Like I said, we got something special going on tomorrow. Y'all see that here shortly in this video. And shout out to my dog Slim, man. He pulled up in that brand new dump truck, man. Gave y'all some motivation, man. It can be done. Brand new dump truck, 2025 Kenworth. That's my first 2025 I ever seen or set in with the full digital dash, man. Congrats to him. Can't wait to see him get out here and get some of this dump truck money in that new truck. And that should be motivation to all of y'all that y'all can go out and get y'all a new truck if y'all want to too, man. All you gotta do is put the hard work in. He was telling me about all his different stuff he got going on. Make sure y'all going to look at these trucks too, or you going to look for a new truck, and make sure y'all getting the best financing on these new trucks too, man. Don't go with the first option. Shop around for a few different options. Find a few different rates to get the best rate that you can get. That way you don't get jacked up, you know what I'm saying? Because them high interest rates take a certain amount of truck and make it way more expensive than it would have been with a better interest rate going with a better finance company. So make sure y'all keeping that in mind. Don't be too thirsty to get the truck, you know what I'm saying? Do what you gotta do. I understand some people ain't got credit. Some people gotta go with the bad rate to start with and pay the high interest to get their foot in the door. But just be careful when y'all doing that, man. Don't dig yourself in too deep of a hole that you can't get out of, man. Y'all see, we up here at the shop. Stay tuned. Alright, fam, we up early in the morning like usual, man. Getting ready to head out. Getting ready to head to the airport, y'all. Waiting on Pops, man. He moving slow, man. He about to make us miss the flight, y'all. Moving slow. I told him just meet me at the airport, man. We ain't got time to meet up here at the yard. You need to be going straight to the airport. But yeah, about 4 in the morning. Got some trucks going out. It's Saturday. Got a few trucks going out. Going back out to that 23 job. Hopefully that goes smooth today. And we're going to be heading to Philadelphia. Going to this Truck and Hustle podcast. They hit me up, want to get us on the podcast for an interview. So we're getting ready to fly out down there and tap in with the Truck and Hustle fam, y'all. So stay tuned for that. It's them Jennings boys. What they want, these little itty bitty planes? Private jet. He's talking about we on a private jet. We on this little ass United flight. Philly. We're going to Philly, y'all. We almost made it. We in DC. Oh, we gotta get on the plane like this. On the outside. Oh yeah, I ain't never got on a plane like this before. We done made it to Philly finally after that little layover. Them layovers don't be it, man. Straight through flights is the ones you want. We done made it. About to get us a rental real quick. Say rental car shuttles this way. I bust a rental and grab something to eat real quick. What's good to eat in Philly, y'all? What should we grab to eat in Philly? I ain't even looked no spots up. I ain't did no research on Philly, y'all. I've been so busy. It's been crazy. Rental car shuttle right here. Number 2. Number 2 right here?
Number 2 rental car. Like Newports down this
yeah, it's like straight Newports down here.
Smoking my shit, man.
You said what?
My shit at? You smoking, boy, you ball. Huh?
Shit, you ain't give it to me.
had to have it, huh?
Courtesy shuttle. Rental car courtesy shuttle. That's where we going, Enterprise. That's exactly where we going.
Motion, y'all. Said the Philly Bridge.
I don't know what bridge. What is that? What bridge is that, y'all? We in Philly. What bridge is that? Anybody from Philly, man? Let me know what bridge that is, man. We trying to figure it out, man. That's the Jersey Bridge or what?
Nah, I think we crossing this over from by the airport.
Oh, this
I remember I crossed somewhere in. I was in a semi truck. I crossed in, and they ain't had me no
Motherfucker, what's the name? To get through?
Hogan truck. I ain't had no motherfucking pre-pass, pay pass.
Yeah, that sucks.
They like, it's $80. I'm like, man, I ain't paying that shit.
Right. Wait on my money to get back from them motherfuckers.
$50 was something crazy. I'm like, bro, I ain't got it. You gotta pull over to the side and figure it out. So I pulled over to the side. I'm like, man, I'm about to just pull off. They're gonna chase me down. So I went into the dude like, man, I ain't about to sit here all day, bro. I got $20 on me. But he was like, just give me the 20 and go ahead, roll out.
Because he pocketed the 20 by then.
Yeah.
They went on here, hit the button on you.
Yeah.
Free tool. 20.
Yeah. Let me on.
Let's go.
Them tolls ain't no joke, y'all. And
Is there a lot on here?
Freight, hell yeah.
That's why dude actually think we need that. What's the name?
Right. They charge you anyway. That's just extra scam.
Extra scam, huh?
Get you to pay some money even if you don't need it.
Right, motherfuckers.
Yeah. Shit, we crossing this bridge right here, y'all.
The Blue Bridge.
About to make our way into the city. See what's going on.
Downtown Philly, man.
They probably just slowing traffic down. Hey, that's the Eagle Stadium right there.
What's the setting up for that? What's it called?
I don't know. Something definitely going on. Lincoln Financial Field.
College football.
I'm trying to figure out where we get the best Philly cheesesteak. Is it this spot, y'all?
Jim Steaks.
Jim Steaks. Or my one man's told me to come here to this Ish Khabibis, whatever. How you say that?
Let's order and then pull over right here.
Yeah, we can park right here and pay a park. The same.
Let's get something in here now. No, I'm smelting now. Then we'll go over there and we'll eat again. Fuck it. What else we gonna do?
We gotta go to. I know where we eating tonight. We ain't go out for your birthday to eat.
Man, let's go there,
I
man.
know where we eating tonight. We're going to stop at TJ Maxx though.
Why?
We're going to get a polo.
Button up. Nigga, I ain't got no bottom pants.
You gonna get some pants and a polo real quick?
Goddamn, we ain't eating there then, man.
Why not?
Is it the Philly special place or something for special for Philly? Because man, if I gotta go spend some money to get something to eat, that's extra, bro. That's extra. That's the real definition of extra. You hear me? Extra shit to get
I'm
some.
gonna go in there and get me a $15 shirt, nigga.
I understand, man. We going for the sound of us like we going to a $1,000 place.
We don't. It's a $1,000 plate.
For a motherfucking $15 hookup.
They only got this shit in it's only in Philly.
What is it?
Chicago.
Let's try
Cali and Arizona. They only got like 4 locations.
But what I'm saying is that okay, so can I wear gym shoes?
Y'all know where we going.
Can I go?
Yeah, shoes is cool.
Shoes is cool. It's just the pants.
Athletic wear, yeah.
Athletic wear shoes.
Nah, you can get in with shoes though. They ain't as long as we got like a polo on, we good.
Polo, nah. I got sweatpants on. Some jeans. You're gonna need some khakis or something.
Not no khakis. Some jeans. Jean jacket.
What is that?
Let's go in here and see what this Philly talking about, y'all. Where we at?
Downtown Philly. Looking for Waylo and Gilly. Flat out with Waylo and Gilly at down here. When I hear Philly, that's what I'm thinking about. Waylo and Gilly or Meat People. We're gonna try this.
Hold on, watch yourself. Come on, fuck it.
Jim Steaks.
I don't know which one better. Gotta ask the people. It's more people in this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie, it's more people in this one. And it smells better.
Onion.
This one got a line. The other ones don't. I'm gonna go with the action at.
With all that beef down.
Let's go up
With all
in
that beef down.
You watered that motherfucker down.
Skip that motherfucker off, baby.
Still dripping.
X what? That Beamer?
Yeah, when I got him a CT5.
You said who?
Got the CT5.
Ah, yeah.
So he
He
took
said
it
it.
back because they said it wasn't wrecked. And it ended up being wrecked.
Oh.
I was pissed.
What bridge is this, y'all? We're crossing over into Jersey now.
Oh, just that quick?
Yeah. Across the water, you in
Across the
Jersey.
water, you in Jersey.
Yeah, that quick. Boop, boop.
Oh, that's what it do here.
Making our way to the Truck and Hustle studio, man. To check out the Hustle fam. They over here in somewhere in Jersey, where he said. So, we're getting ready to check in there soon, y'all. Stay tuned. You said what now?
The couch pays 0R.
Y'all see what's going on, man. We reporting live up here with the Hustle fam. Truck and Hustle just finished our interview. Had a great interview, man. They got a nice studio here.
They set up, man. The
Nice
platform
setup.
is beautiful.
Platform is beautiful.
Platform is beautiful. You know what I'm saying?
Everybody putting their names on the table. We done tattooed our mark on the table. I can't wait to see all the next people that come and be on this platform. I'll see what's going on. It's them Jennings boys. Make sure y'all go hit that subscribe button if y'all ain't already subscribed. Hit that post notification bell, and we're gonna keep running these numbers on up. What's this cat doing? He got that. That's the nappy fro. Reed and Terminal Market. Big bus. Yeah, we heading to the room now, y'all, man. We just left Truck and Hustle studio, man. It ended up being a good interview, good podcast. Can't wait for y'all to check it out. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for him to drop it, but when it do drop, make sure y'all all go check it out, man. Make sure y'all go to that video, go in the comments, and I'll remind y'all when I come out too. Make sure y'all go in that video, go in the comments, man. Let them know. It's them Jennings boys. Getting ready to check into our telly and grab us something good to eat, chill, and enjoy this day off, y'all. Here in Philly, we might get on the big bus, the big B bus.
Philadelphia.
Dark. All right, y'all. We done public parking valet, hotel guest.
What?
50. It's 50.
50?
Yeah, y'all. It's 50. Pull up, stop. Go up in here, y'all. That's the vault you need your house right there. Put that gold in, them gold bars. Go in there. Let's jump in here. It's a line. I've been on the YouTube. 28.
28 what?
28, shit, I don't know. Looked at 28. 16.
16.
Gotta be this way. This is the only way to go. What's that, 1? It's time to enjoy our little time, y'all. Downtown, we at the 5-star Lowe's Hotel. Better get outside and see what Philly talking about. $16. Did I say 16? Go. Light switch. Yeah, we Gucci.
Nice, yeah. Jennings boys, you know what I'm saying? What the outside look like? Outside.
Said we outside.
Outside. Look at that, downtown Philly.
Oh yeah, we downtown Philly.
Boys.
Open these up.
Downtown
See what
Philly,
this side
y'all.
look like. Oh yeah, this room tight. Nice little view. Downtown Philly. Can you see the stadium? I don't think you can see the stadium. I'll see what's going on. Jefferson building, whatever that is. We need to slide we gotta slide to Burlington TJ Maxx somewhere real quick. I know they all be all that sacks when we shopping at TJ Maxx, but it is what it is, man. It's them Jennings boys.
Jennings boy, we'll need up with some button ups, man.
We need something quick for this dress code.
That's it, boy. They out there boating out there, but it's a good view right here, Bobby.
Yeah, this is a view.
Yeah. That's the strip. Is that where the mall? We're going to the mall.
Yep, it's right outside. Let's go right now.
Kenworth W9 box truck. You don't see these all the time. They got that mug back in there. That motherfucker look good. You don't see no W9 box truck. W9 box truck. He clean. You don't never see these in no box truck. He got that special built. Alright.
Right, look.
That long nose.
This motherfucker.
Alright. On the way to dinner. We in Philly.
It don't look as much as this in view.
Right, exactly. It's jumping out here, I ain't gonna lie. This the block right here. Hold on. This Jupiter Street? Nah, this 13th and it's the next one. Yep, it's the next one. It's the next one. What's going on out here, y'all? We're on our way to Steak 48. I'll see what's going on. Them Jennings boys.
Yeah.
Steak 48.
What is that? Okay. What are you doing here?
Third. We done made it back, y'all. Back home. Back to this grind, y'all. Gotta go straight to the yard and I don't feel like it, but go straight to the yard. I need to work on this truck. Figure out why the sprayer leaking on this purple Mac. Try to figure that out. Yeah, don't stop, y'all. Back on the grind. We back on this trucking hustle, man. You feel me? Make sure y'all, I don't know if it's gonna be out or not, but make sure y'all stop what y'all doing and go check out the interview on Trucking Hustle. I don't know how long it's gonna take for them to drop it. I'm about a week and a half behind on my videos, so I don't know. We're gonna see if it's dropped or be prepared for it to drop, man. When it do drop, make sure y'all go check it out. It's them Jennings boys. Just like that, we back to it, y'all. It's them Jennings boys. Getting ready to lock in. Lock in on this dump truck grind. Got this truck going out tonight. Big dually truck. We'll have a good productive week coming up this week. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I got some lit content coming. Just stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. All my guys go in the comments right now. Let me know where you tuning in from, what city you from. All my truckers go in the comments. Let me know what kind of trucks y'all driving. What you doing? You doing dump truck, over the road, flatbeds, concrete truck, roll-off truck, tow truck, trash truck. Go in the comments. Let us know what y'all doing, man. And stay tuned, man. We got a lot more to come. It's them Jennings boys.